My name is Juliet, also known as Learning with Diva, and I recently just started my Amazon FBA business. That was in October, November of last year. Like many of you, I was curious, excited, and honestly speaking, a little nervous. This is one thing like I've never done before. Like I've never started a business from the scratch before. One reason I wanted to do this business was I wanted a financial freedom. I wanted the ability to build something from the scratch, to build something that I will call my own. I did a lot of research. I even attended some trainings, and now I'm taking action, learning every step of the way. Guys, I had made my mistakes, I'd learned from it, and I won't repeat it. This channel is all about sharing my Amazon MBA journey so you don't make the same mistakes I made. Okay, so I will cover topics like product research, how to start, how to register your business name, how to, start your own Amazon FBA, finding winning products, my success stories, my mistakes, so you don't do the same mistakes, right? And I will also cover topics like the selling strategies. You don't need a lot. You don't need marketing. I don't think you need marketing in selling on Amazon FBA because Amazon has already created a platform. I will also share growing tips. I will show you behind the scenes how I source for products, where I go for products research, and the kind of softwares that I use. All those I'll be sharing in this channel. If you're thinking about starting your own Amazon business or just curious about the process, make sure you subscribe to this channel because if you snooze, you lose. I'll be posting weekly to help you navigate the Amazon FBA if you are wanting to sign up on selling on Amazon. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your business, it might not even just be just on Amazon, just to scale your business. I would love to connect with you. Drop a comment below if you are just starting or you are already selling on Amazon. If you're an experienced seller on Amazon, I'd like to connect with you. Please share your success story, share your mistakes. I am willing to connect. Okay, let's build a community. I want to know how you succeeded. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. I love you and I'll see you in my next video.